Hi guys, I am now in Uummannaq, Greenland, my favorite town in the country. Uummannaq has a population of 1400 people, and today I'm gonna walk around the town and show you the beauty of it. Let's go! Here we have the old cemetery in town. But this town is so incredibly scenic and beautiful. The houses in the hills and the big mountain here in the background. So in this area we have sled dogs, and these here are puppies. They are running freely around. But the big sled dogs, or the other ones, they are chained up. And they are used here in the winter time for the sleds, just to carry or pull the sleds, because the ocean here freezes completely through the winter, and then these guys are used. It's okay to pet the puppies since they can't do you much harm, but you should not approach the adult ones. They can potentially be dangerous, even though it's not common, but in case they get aggressive, then you have some problems. We currently have 5 degrees Celsius outside, so it's quite cold and windy as well, but luckily we managed to get to the island, Uummannaq Island, on the Zodiacs we have on board. So we are extremely grateful that we can visit this place. For me it's maybe the 10th time, but for Sigga it is the first time. The dogs of course have all their own names, and this one is called Nutella. And here we have the sleds they use. You can see them here on top of the small container. But like I say, they're chained up in the summertime, fed every other day, usually fish or seal, and then they are working dogs in the winter. So summers are a little bit more boring for them, since they stay here the whole summer. We are now north of the Arctic Circle in Uummannaq, like I told you, and north of the Arctic Circle only sled dogs are allowed, no other dog species. So, but if you go south of the Arctic Circle, on the west side of Greenland, then you have the dog species we know, Labradors and everything. This dog breed we have here is called the Greenland dog, which is a special dog breed they have here and use as sled dogs. The reason why they don't want to have any other, or one of the reasons on other dog breeds here, is to protect the Greenland dog as a pure species. Getting to Uummannaq is not the easiest. If you're coming from Europe, for example, you need to fly to Iceland, and then to a place called Ilulissat, and then to a small settlement here south of us called, I think it's called Uummannaq or something, and then you need to take a helicopter or a boat from there to here. So it will cost a lot, but I would say it's worth it. It's just a unique experience seeing this town. We're gonna go now to a great viewing platform up a few stairs where we see over the whole town and the fjord. It's up these stairs here. Whoop, almost fell down. You can see this is our ship, the MS Sea Venture, and we have the town here in the front. And look at all of these icebergs. A massive amount. In the winter, the sun doesn't rise in this area for approximately 2 or 3 months. But since the people here get limited amount of sunlight in the winter time, many have a shortage of vitamin D. It's a common problem here. So they need to take some supplements with vitamin D in order to keep or have the normal levels of it. Here we have the new church, a stone church, beautiful, and the museum buildings. So guys, I think it's time to end the vlog. I hope you like the footage. I didn't talk a lot this time since it's very windy outside and the weather is getting worse. So we're gonna go back to the ship, and thank you for watching.
Ja! Gegen Wind. Gegen Wind.
Hoho! Jetzt bin ich nass also.